Hello my friends, welcome back to the DELUXE channel. I'm here at the local car show today. Beautiful day. We have probably like more than 200 cars here. Antique cars and some brand new cars. And I'll try to go over with you most of these cars. Take like this one. Look at this Z28. Ooh. This is a hot ride right here. Look at this engine, guys. Who likes antique cars, guys? Smash that bell. Subscribe for DELUXE. See that, guys? Turbo Fire 350. Guys, guess what car is this? Look at this rocket right here. This is the old school, guys. Mobile, guys. Nice hot blue color with 4 pipes. Nice big fat tires. Got some chips on the fender. Look at this motor, guys, right here. It says Oldsmobile right there. Whew. Triumph, guys. Original miles. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe, guys, for the DELUXE channel. If you like old cars, legit units. What do we got here? Ooh. This is rocket to the moon, guys. Look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. I don't even know the name of this car. White leather inside. Whew. Look how long this door are. It's so crazy. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet. 5 feet right there, baby. There's only one door. Only one door. Let's hop inside right here into the motor. 390 cubic inches, 4 well, premium fuel. I don't really understand how. Show you a closer look. If you're interesting, look at this baby, guys. This is something unbelievable. Who knows something about this car? Leave a comment, please. That's something crazy, guys. This is something crazy. I'm gonna count how many feet. I think it's like, it has like maybe, I don't know, like 20 feet. Got this Bullet Mustang. This is a new car. This is the oldie one. Type L. Standard 4-speed. Got 4-speed right there. Nice hot blue color. Z28. Camera, guys. Camera, baby. Chevy truck. This is nothing special right here. What is this? I don't even know. I don't even know what is this. Laser. Look at that stick, guys. Grenade stick. Whew.
But they used to make the steel roofs, no?
Nice. This driver likes rats because in a car there are a lot of rats over there. Yeah, I did. I don't even know the name of the car. Jeep? Oh, that's a Jeep, yeah? Oh, wow.
Willys used to be cheap.
Yeah, Bullies? Willys? What year you think?
Late 60s.
Late 60s? Wow.
I know the Willys Jeep.
Springfield, Mass, yeah? That is an old car. Thank you. We got this Buick, guys. That hood needs to be painted. Look at this. Look at this beauty right here. Rust holes right here. Look, it's all rusted. Whew. Look at the interior. So old and ripped. The Chevy right here. Ooh. Right here, guys. Glory days. this low profile Corvette engine. Whew. Leave a comment, guys, for Deluxe if you like Glory Days. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell, bam bam, bada bing bada boom, so you don't miss new videos. If you like this kind of stuff, I'm telling you, for my subscribers, I will do it. I can do it every week, and we have a lot of units, new units. So comment me. This is Hemi, this is not something Dutch, nothing popular, but nice ride. SS baby, Chevy SS 427.
Bite dust. Bite dust.
Alright guys, I filmed little of cars with you today. Did a little review. We have more and more here, but I'm gonna come next time and show you more cars. There's a lot of cars here, cool cars, old cars. So thank you for watching Deluxe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and God bless.
With